What's up guys? So this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how to properly and safely insert the SIM card. Now for this one you'll need a SIM ejector tool that comes in the box, but you can use any SIM ejector tool if you want to. Also you need your nano SIM card. So you can do this when the phone is off or when it's on, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to do it when the phone is on. So let me just quickly lock the screen to prevent accidental touches. So the first thing you need to do is locate the SIM tray. So the SIM tray on this phone is on the left hand side, of course with the phone open, and with the phone closed, still on the right hand side right there. It's better to do this with the phone open. There you go. So there's your SIM tray. So what you need to do is simply take the SIM ejector tool, put it in that hole on the SIM tray, and push in gently towards the phone, and the SIM tray will pop out. And then put the SIM ejector tool away and use your fingers to pull out the SIM tray gently. Make sure you're pulling it away from the phone, just like that. And there's your SIM tray. So now the best way to do this is to hold the SIM tray with that little hole facing away from you, like that. So there you go. The hole on the SIM tray should be facing away from you. And then take your SIM card and then align the diagonal cut on the SIM card with the diagonal in the top right corner of the SIM tray. And then put your SIM card like this and then slide it in. And once it reaches the end, you want to put a little bit of pressure on the other side until it sits properly. There you go. So the SIM card is in there. You can see the diagonal has aligned with that diagonal on the SIM tray. And the SIM card, as you can see, is now flush with the SIM tray. There you go. There's nothing popping out. And the connectors are facing downwards. So that's the correct way of placing the SIM card on the SIM tray. Again, remember we're doing this with that little hole facing away from us. That's the best way to do it. And now with the SIM card inside the SIM tray, it's now time to push the SIM tray back into the phone. Push it back the same way with the hole facing up and aligning with the hole on the phone, on the SIM slot. So just push it gently. No need to use any excessive force. Everything should be just easy. So the SIM tray should go in until it's back flush with the phone. And that's it. So now it's time to check if the SIM card works. Mine has a SIM pin, so I'll enter my SIM pin right now. Give it a couple of seconds, and as you can see, I have my network bars right next to the battery percentage. That basically means the SIM card has been inserted properly. Also, if you go to settings and then go to connections and then go to SIM card manager, you can tell if your SIM card has been detected. So there's my SIM card, there's my network, and also the phone number for that particular SIM card. And that's it. That's how to insert your SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Thanks for watching and good luck.